Greetings! From I was a little youth, I have heard people say, an apple a day keep the doctor away. Seem like a very good subject to tackle. Medical Monday, all about the apple. Nowadays when you say apple, people think Macs, iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watch. Me and talk real apples, organic, on wax. Let's get down to the facts. Chum, what in the apple making it medical? It's got the vitamins and the mineral, pectin, the fiber, soluble, helpful to lower the bad cholesterol, antioxidants too as usual, flavonoids and polyphenol, constipation fights inflammation, weight loss can be beneficial, people cook them, and a whole lot more. Personally, I prefer them raw. The skin has got a lot of good things in for sure. If you're wary of the seeds, you don't have to eat the core. Some say apples are good for your teeth. Natural toothbrush, kinda unique. Some say apples are bad for your teeth. Acidity, the fructose, this ain't too sweet. Counteract that. When you eat the apple, little after, swill your mouth with a little bit of water. Cause the benefits of apple are larger. You only need a little bit in your armor. Apple a day might not keep them away, but no fruit and veg with exercise may. Yes, I am.